Trick-or-treat!
When it comes to kids, the old favorites are still going strong. Superheroes, princesses, your go-to animal, and obviously any character from Star Wars or Frozen. The list for young adults is surprisingly similar. They dig Batman, animals, and other superheroes. But instead of Elsa, it's Freddy, Jason, and Michael Myers. For the 35-plus crowd, the witch and pirate top the list.
Ja.
This is also when things get political. Good luck trying to get a Donald Trump wig this year. And because we know you want to know, the #1 pet costume this Halloween? The pumpkin. Stephanie Skandaris, CBC News.